Okay, guys, so I just got a squishy package from this girl. I have no idea what her name is. But, yeah, so the first squishy that she wants is this jumbo ice cream. I have a whole bucket of squishies right here.
Stop being mean to Audrey!
So, let me see what squishy she wants.
You.
I have some in here, too. Okay, so the first squishy she wants, yeah, jumbo orange. Wait, that says ice cream. I don't have an ice cream, so I'll give her this one. It's a really ugly one, but don't matter. I got a cupcake. Let me see. I got this one. Has this big defect, but it's really soft. I don't even care. But she wants a big panda bun. I have it, but this is my favorite. Whatever, I could buy more. No, actually, I'll give her this ugly bread. Big orange.
Kelsey said you guys gotta be.
Okay, so big orange, yeah. I have it, but I don't want to give it to her. This is super soft. She said super slow rising. It's not slow rising. I'll give her, no, I like that. I'll give her this cheeseburger. It's so hard, but I don't really care what she wants. So, a donut. She didn't tell me like she can have this donut. She can have this donut. Like she didn't tell me what kind. Whatever this is, she can have this, this. I have a poop emoji. I don't even know. She can even no. I'll just give her all of these. Just put those in there. Dang it, my phone turned off. Okay. Now she wants a cat. I have so many cats. She don't even know how much I got. Oh, I could give her this. Well, she said like a panda, so I could give her this for a panda. I know it's like a sponge, so I give her this. Here, let's see what you got. She has this. I mean, oh my goodness. I have that. I have sushi. She says she wants a sushi. I already have two. Is this a sushi?
No, it's not sushi.
Oh, cat is like sushi. Wait, this is not a cat. This is fish. I'll give her that. And then I have a mini orange. I have a mini panda bun. Wait, what's this? That's amazing. Okay. Be quiet. Oh, she also said she want a kind of fruit.
No drama!
Okay, I have this fruit, but I don't know what kind she has. I got this one, I got another one, I got a potato. This is not a potato. What is this called? Pineapple. Okay, pineapple.
A ball. A basketball. I don't play basketball all the time like that.
She also wants a dumpling. Is this a dumpling? Yeah. This is a dumpling, so I'll give her that. She wants fruit. I'll give her apple and that. No, she don't want a sandwich. It smells like toxic waste. She don't want a snail. She wants like a something like basketball or something. Like I don't know, like a ball. So we got a basketball right here. Oh, this is a basketball. This is orange. We got these. Hold on. Let's give her. Which one do you? Oh, which ones do you think she'll like? No. Give her that one. And then she wants a cat. Can she have some cat dookie? Cause I'll give her that. Okay. So. Okay. So I'm about to. And now she wants another cat, so I'll give her this. So I think the package is done. So it was $150. I am gonna be rich, you know. yeah, I'll see y'all later. Whenever I give her the package, I guess. $135, that's a lot. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't know how excited I am for this squishy package I just got today. This was $150, but like it's worth every penny. Like, believe me. So these squishies were from It's Maddie Moo. So yeah, I'm gonna see how good quality they are. So yeah. Okay, so she got a cheeseburger. Quiet.
Can I go on your?
Okay, so I got this cheeseburger. This is not on my list, so I think it's an extra. I'm pretty sure. Because here's my list. Let me check. Okay. This is all I had on my list. A jumbo ice cream, a cupcake, a big panda, a big orange, and a donut. That's what I sent her. And she gave me a cheeseburger. That's fine. It's probably extra. Okay, she got me
a yellow one or this.
An apple. Probably another extra. A bear. Okay, here's the cupcake. Yep, I ordered a cupcake. Here it is, but
Is this
it looks
sushi?
fine. It looks really good, but when you turn it around, like
Cheeseburger. Sushi.
so it's all around the thing. I mean, that's fine because she included extras, so that's all that matters.
This is so cute.
She got me a dumpling.
I'm hot in this Medina. 3 more minutes.
She sent me a
this is
soccer
ugly.
ball,
No.
a donut. I included donut on my list,
Ellie!
so she got me yellow. She got me another donut, so that's a yellow and blue. She got me a banana,
Oh, I'm so hot.
a fish,
I want to give dogs this.
a poop, another donut, so yeah, all these donuts have drizzle on it. Oh, except this one. Here's another one.
What are you guys doing? Why are you?
Okay, I got an egg. This is not.
But tell me what. You pick whatever one you want. What? I don't know.
Okay, so this is leaking. So yeah.
It was about to.
A bee
Do you know where leaking that are?
and an ice cream.
Bye-bye.
This was a skit. As in the beginning, we told you, but it was a skit, and my cousin is. Me and my cousin were just acting. So yeah. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah. Bye.